You eat it just like that? Sweet?
Some.
Is it sweet or?
This one you make it out.
Mm-hmm.
It's tomboro.
Tomboro? Okay.
This one is short. Also, this one is short. It's come from to Mali, other country of Africa.
Yeah.
They
From
make
Mali.
It. Yeah, they make it. They make it in the hand. No for factory.
Yeah. All handmade.
Yeah.
Some potatoes?
Potatoes.
Yeah. We need some, right?
Yeah. We need
Yeah.
some, right? I forgot that this thing. Boiling water, and after then I make it the rice inside.
Yeah.
But this, when the water is finished, I put all the chicken out. Then I make here, I mix it with water. Then I put it here. Huh? It's looking good.
Awa.
This is dege.
Dege.
It's come from to groundnut. This one. You see? This one is come from to groundnut. Okay. Only tomato. Make it inside. When you go back to Germany, you try it.
Yeah, I tried to cook it by myself.
But how you get for this one? How do you get this?
I have to remember the ingredients and the recipe.
This is yet.
Yet?
They eat it. When you boil it, you eat it. It's very sweet.
It's very sweet, but what is it?
This one I show you in the market.
But it's not. It's no fish.
It's not fish, but it looks like fish.
It looks like fish. Is it shark?
No.
I don't know what it is.
And this, you know what is this?
Looks a bit like paprika, but
Jahatu.
ja?
Jahatu. Jahatu.
Chahatu.
Jahatu.
Okay. And what's the taste? Is it sweet? Is it spicy?
This one not spicy. It's a. Aya, ni wahai lu Aya. Ah? It's good for the stomach. Yes.
Okay.
When it's not boiling, so you eat it like this.
Okay.
You eat it like this. It's good for the stomach.
Yeah. I still don't know what it is. Yeah, something from the sea.
From the sea. Even that one I told you in the market to eat it. You said it's come from the sea.
Yeah, but from which animal?
Yeah. Not for animal.
No,
Not for
it's not animal.
It's not animal.
What is it then?
This one is not animal.
Let's have a look. I thought it's like animal.
No. It's not animal. It's like a fish.
Yeah, but fish is animal.
Fish is animal.
Yeah.
It's like a fish. This one.
It is like a fish.
Like a fish. And for this, not now.
Okay. The sweet potatoes come later. Okay. Next step. Some water.
Huh? You take.
I try.
You make it small paper to change the taste.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is paper. Make it small. Like this. Your one hand. Small.
Okay.
Like you have black pepper. Make it small black pepper because you make this.
Yeah. Like okay. More hammering.
Yes. wash it like this. All is put it up. Ceeb yëpp tuur na fi Adja. Tuur na kay. Fly, small fly.
Protein.
Protein.
With some salt, right?
Some salt.
Yeah.
Nice. Then if you make it this, the chicken have a nice taste.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It's almost ready.
Yes, it's almost ready. Now it's okay.
The bitter one?
Yes.
Not so bitter anymore?
No, it's good.
Yeah.
It's good. So, Aja, maa ngi ñëw foofu de.
Oh, that's a big portion. I cannot eat. I cannot eat all of that. I try to.
You are not take your breakfast.
Yeah.